100 drones fill the stage and make shapes and kind of dances with the Rockettes.
They are just as choreographed as we are, which is so incredible to know that they're dancing essentially above us. This is choreography and routines that have been around since 1933, but we are adding all of this incredible technology, and it's enhancing this already beautiful show and all of the choreography and dancing that the Rockettes do.
Intel has brought us 100 drones this year to be a part of our new finale number called Christmas Lights. The Living Nativity closes and the North Star breaks up into 1,000 different pieces. The drones will come in and they fly over top of the orchestra that is going back on the stage, and the Rockettes are revealed by the drones as a curtain. These drones come out and they are obviously flying towards the audience, and you have Obscura that has projected, these amazing scenes all over the proscenium of the theater. We actually flew out to Obscura to have interaction with the drones before they came to the show. So we kind of danced with them. We did our formations and everything to see the proximity that we can be within the drones. They're super small and they're super light. So you kind of forget about it sometimes that they're there, but then you look up and you see 100 drones above you.
I think it shows that we like to bring that magic of Christmas in through the technology as well and kind of blend all of that together.
It definitely feels like magic from the audience.
Absolutely.
It really does.
So this is the Intel Shooting Star Mini. This is the drone that's flying at the Christmas Spectacular at the Radio City Music Hall. This has 4 propellers and it has a cage around it for safety purposes, but it's very, very lightweight. And that's an LED that's programmable with 4 billion light combinations. They use a location system that allows the drones to have orientation of where they are within the environment that they're flying. All the person is doing, the pilot, is pressing a button on the computer, and all the drones are fully automated, from charging to loading up the software to flying the animations and choreographed to the timings that have been put in place for that sequence.
Share the light!
These motors are self-balancing. That's the beauty of why drones are so exciting for us, is there are integrated IMUs, which are accelerometers and gyroscopes that allow the understanding of the motion of the drones. These sensors are working with the indoor location sensors to give it positional accuracy. And so we integrate motion and we integrate the sensors to help light it up. And so all that is happening real time. Fireworks and pyro was the only way we could experience it outdoors, but here you have now new technology for the very first time that's green, reusable, non-polluting. We've done shows all the way from Super Bowl to the Olympics. This is the start of a display technology that's in the sky.
As we continue to find that technology is able to be integrated into live theater. I mean, this is the first time that a drone show has been put into live theater like this. So I think that the more that our fabulous teams, Intel and Obscura, learn about this and are able to incorporate it into the show, we're hopefully be able to bring more and more to the audiences.